We are doing a project called Smart Door Lock. In this project, we use various components such as ESP32 Wi-Fi module, relay module, camera module, and first of all, we have connected the Wi-Fi module with the relay, then solenoid lock using some jumper wires. Now solenoid lock is powered by 12-volt adapter. Now we have to connect Wi-Fi module with laptop or PC using micro cable. Then we have to upload the code to the Wi-Fi module using a software called Arduino IDE. You can see on the screen, this is the code we are uploading. After successfully uploading the code, we can control the solenoid lock using our mobile phone. The Wi-Fi of the module will appear on the phone. As you can see, the Wi-Fi is connected. Now we have to open the Chrome browser and type a IP address which is 192.168.4.1. Then a page will open. We can see there is option written unlock door. By clicking this, we can unlock the door. Now we are going to test range of the Wi-Fi module. You can see we can unlock the solenoid lock from far distance.